Welcome, fellow traders. Today, I want to talk to you about a book that will change the way you think about trading. The Naked Trader's Book of Trading Strategies is not your typical finance book. It's a comprehensive guide that will teach you how to make smarter trades and increase your profits. If you're tired of losing money in the stock market or just looking for new strategies to add to your arsenal, this book is for you. Robbie Burns, the author, has years of experience in the industry and has distilled his knowledge into this must-read book. Trust me, you won't regret investing your time and money into this gem. Robbie Burns is a well-known figure in the world of trading. He started trading stocks in the early 1990s and has since become one of the UK's most successful private traders. Burns is also an acclaimed financial writer, having authored several books on trading and investing. His writing style is both informative and engaging, making complex financial concepts accessible to readers of all levels of expertise. A trading strategy is like a roadmap for navigating the stock market. Without one, investors are left to make decisions based on emotions and speculation, which often leads to poor outcomes. In fact, studies have shown that traders who use a strategy are more likely to be profitable than those who don't. But what makes a good trading strategy? It's not just about picking stocks or timing the market. A successful strategy takes into account factors like risk management, diversification, and a clear set of rules for buying and selling. The Naked Trader's Book of Trading Strategies covers all of these elements and more, providing readers with a comprehensive guide to building a winning strategy. The Naked Trader's Book of Trading Strategies covers a wide range of trading strategies that can be used in the stock market. One of the key takeaways from the book is the importance of having a well-defined trading plan, which includes entry and exit points, stop-loss levels, and risk management strategies. Another strategy covered in the book is swing trading, which involves holding positions for several days to capture short-term price movements. In addition to these strategies, the book also covers other popular techniques such as momentum trading, value investing, and trend following. Each strategy is explained in detail, with real-life examples and case studies to help readers understand how they can be applied in different market conditions. By the end of the book, readers will have a solid understanding of the different trading strategies available to them and how to implement them effectively. In one case study, a trader named John used the momentum trading strategy outlined in the book to make a profit of over $10,000 in just 2 months. He was able to identify stocks with strong upward momentum and ride the trend to maximize his profits. By following the principles laid out in the book, John was able to achieve financial success and secure his future. Another case study features a trader named Sarah who used the value investing strategy to build a diversified portfolio of undervalued stocks. Over time, her portfolio grew steadily and she was able to generate consistent returns on her investments. By sticking to a disciplined approach and following the advice in the book, Sarah was able to achieve her financial goals and live the life she had always dreamed of. In conclusion, The Naked Trader's Book of Trading Strategies is a must-read for anyone looking to succeed in the stock market. Author Robbie Burns brings years of experience and expertise to the table, providing readers with valuable insights and actionable strategies. Through real-life case studies and data-driven analysis, Burns makes a compelling argument for the importance of having a trading strategy and provides readers with a comprehensive overview of the different strategies covered in the book. By implementing these strategies, readers can increase their chances of success and achieve their financial goals. Don't miss out on this opportunity to improve your trading skills and take your investments to the next level. Purchase the Naked Trader's Book of Trading Strategies today and start your journey towards financial freedom. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and we will catch you on the next one.